Welcome to this guide on getting started with Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, for email marketing, completely free. First, visit the Brevo website and click Sign Up for free. No credit card required. You can sign up using your Google account for a quick start. Next, complete your profile by entering your first and last name. You'll also be asked for your company name. If you don't have a website yet, just select I don't have a website. Then fill in your business address details, street address, city, state, and country. Once done, click Next. You'll also be asked about your team size and the number of contacts you plan to manage. After providing these details, click Continue. Finally, verify your phone number to activate your account. Once verified, you'll be ready to explore Brevo's dashboard. Brevo offers tools for email marketing, sales automation, customer conversations, and messaging. To start your first campaign, go to Campaigns in the dashboard. Click Create Campaign and select Email Campaign. Name your campaign, for example, Test Campaign, and click Create Campaign. Choose your sender details, add recipients from your contact list, craft your subject line, and design your email. Preview your email, test it, and send. That's all it takes to begin using Brevo for email marketing. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.